welcome to the last and final challenge of digital twinning and emissions and simulations. Today we are talking about the differences between a simulation e-stop and a digital twin e-stop. So on the first video I have here is the digital twinning e-stop. So that is like this is where I got out of Moo Zoo um using real virtual on Unity Hub. So like the e-stop, you press it, it stops the whole machine just like a normal thing, and it stops the machine. And then I went into digital twinning. I was like, okay, how am I going to create digital twin e-stop? Well, after some research and stuff, I was like, okay, I could use Python because Python control panel is you can use Python control panel, you can use TIA portal control panel. So I chose Python control panel as the second video, as you can see, where it shows me the code running on PowerShell and it pops up with the digital twin control panel. You can stop it, you can start it, and then the e-stop shuts off it's emergency e-stop, so it shuts off the machine and you reset it. So this is what you can use for your uh, Python, your PLC, and um, the simulation there, why is this a digital twin of eStop? A digital twin is basically a virtual replica of a physical system that mirrors its behavior, state, and control logic. So my implementation includes my state modeling. So I define running stop urgency just like a real machine would. The control interface. So my control interface would be PowerShell GUI, um, basically copies the physical button stop, start, e-stop, reset, just like in a simulation on the machine. Visual feedback, the background colors, label update reflects the system's current state. Um, and it also shows the transitions of logic flow, just like a control schematic. So basically, I created the exact same thing from that real virtual simulation to the digital twin control panel. So there is two for different things. So the simulation e-stop is the actual visual of the actual component in the factory, while a digital twin is basically a visualization that you basically that will mimic the control panel on the factory, but except on a computer or on the PLC. So this will run a PLC. So that's the difference between simulation and digital twinning. That is all I have for today. Thank you for watching.